Hello kids, welcome back to my new video. I am Samina. Today we paint these furry animals with beautiful colors. First we paint the giraffe with yellow color. Red color. Now we paint the rhino with grey color. Elephant, pink color.
On the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought it was all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. Penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a
Yellow color in monkey.
way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel. All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought it was all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for
Brown
a spool
color.
of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes.
In tail,
Pop goes the weasel.
brown color in loin hair. Yellow color.
All around the mulberry bush, chased the weasel. The monkey thought it was all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel.
Brown color in tree. Green color in tree leaves. Now we paint the grass with green color. yellow color. Wow, kids, our beautiful safari animals is ready with beautiful colors. Please subscribe my channel. I hope you will like this video very much. See you next video. Bye bye.